Hey everyone, welcome to Zoloblocks. In this tutorial, we'll be diving into the progress bar block and showing you how to create some really cool progress bars in Gutenberg. Let's get started. To get started, add a container block to the editor and customize the container padding for a single column layout. Then, click inside the container and add the progress bar block. This will bring up the default appearance of the progress bar with titles above each bar and deeper color contrast to show progress. Under the Basic tab in the options on your right, you can choose from 4 design presets for the progress bar, each with subtle differences to make your content more dynamic. There are also 2 buttons below to show or hide the title and value of the bar. In the Content section, you can change the title tag, and in the Animation Settings section, you can control the offset. If you expand the parent progress bar block in the list view, you can access more options. You can change the title and progress percentage value of each item individually under the Basic tab. These options are simple and will make your content ready for presentation. If you want to personalize the appearance, you can use the Style tab controls. To apply the changes to all items, select the parent block. In the Items section, you can adjust the item gap, bar height, border radius, and background color. Let's make these customizations one by one to see the progress of the changes. Next up is the Title section. Here, you can change the color of the title text. Then, under Typography, you have the option to personalize the font style for the title by changing the font family, style, size, weight, and more. There's also a margin option available. Moving on to the Value section, you can adjust the border radius value for the bar and change the active background color. Lastly, in the Percentage section, you can customize the color, font style, and margin just like the title. And that's it. You can easily customize your progress bars in just a few minutes. Use these patterns as references to fuel your creativity with the amazing progress bar block by Zoloblocks. And that's a wrap for this video. Thanks for choosing Zoloblocks. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest block tutorials. Stay connected with Bdthemes.